I have a healthy pumpkin recipe for you today. Relatively healthy. There are chocolate chips in it, but you could always leave those out. This is my first cooking video, and with cupcake in my channel name, I do intend to bring you more healthy cupcake recipes, but this is the first of the series. With fall in the air and the leaves changing colors and pumpkin spice everything in all the stores, this is the best time to bring you a pumpkin related recipe. So I hope you will like these pumpkin oatmeal chocolate chip muffins that I have for you today. I'm going to show you the step-by-step, all the ingredients, and show you how to make it, so keep watching. This video is a collab with April from The Simple Rugged and Ingrid from the Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles. They are doing this collab of pumpkin spice and everything nice, so they're creating a playlist that is going to have all kinds of other videos about pumpkin, so I'll leave that link in the description box below in case you're curious and you want to check it out. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm so happy you're here. My name's Maria and I do videos twice a week with topics on life, home, health, and style. And I'm trying to build a community here where we help each other out and write comments to each other in the comment section and give tips and tricks on just how to make life better in general. So I hope you will join the Artsy Cupcake crew by hitting that subscribe button below. Now let's get into this delicious pumpkin muffin recipe right now. This recipe is going to be quick and easy, which is the way I like all my recipes. It makes 12 muffins, so you'll be needing a 12 muffin tin, and it takes about 30 minutes from start to finish to make the whole recipe. So if you have a sweet tooth and you want something quick, this is definitely the recipe for you. The ingredients you will be needing are 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1/2 a cup of maple syrup, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of nut butter. You could use peanut, almond, cashew, whichever is your favorite. 1/4 cup of milk. You could substitute soy or almond or whatever kind of milk that you like here. 2 1/4 cups rolled oats, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And you will be needing a blender or a food processor as well. So the first thing you want to do is get that oven preheating to 350 degrees. You want to start with the wet ingredients first. The pumpkin, the maple syrup, the eggs, the vanilla, the nut butter, and the milk. Put these at the bottom of your blender or food processor. I have the Ninja Professional 1000 watt blender and I find it works really well. After you put the wet ingredients in, put the dry ingredients on top except for the chocolate chips. Layering all the wet ingredients on the bottom of the blender will help the blades work better to mix those wet ingredients into the dry ones. So on top of the wet ingredients goes the oats, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. We are going to stir those chocolate chips in next. After you've blended everything for around 30 or 40 seconds, the mixture should look smooth. Gently stir in the 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Then you will want to pour this batter into the muffin tin, filling each about 3/4 of the way full. Bake in that 350 degree oven until the muffins are a golden brown color. You will want to let these cool 15 or 20 minutes before you give them a try, because they'll be all melty with the chocolate chips in there and probably a little too messy and hot to eat at first. And here's how they turned out. So delicious, so festive. They're so good and pumpkin-y, and they made the house smell so delicious. So I want to know, what do you like to bake for fall? I think these would be so great to leave out when you have guests over for the Thanksgiving holidays. But I want to know, what do you and your family like to cook around the holidays that you like to have for guests when they come over? Please comment below on your favorite recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a happy day.